Hey, what's going on, my friends? Tasche here, and in this Content Gorilla AI 2.0 review, I'm going to talk to you about a software which is the first to market ChatGPT powered long form content creation tool for busy business owners and marketers. Now, as I said before, my name is Tasche, and on my channel, I post videos on product reviews, internet marketing tips, motivation, etc. So if that's something you're into, be sure to click down below and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you find this video helpful, be sure to give a like, comment, and a share because it really helps my channel out, and I appreciate it. And also, be sure to hit that notification bell so you're always notified every time I release a new video. Now, before we get into my review of Content Gorilla AI 2.0, I want to show you my bonus page real quick. I'm going to be giving you all these bonuses here. I'm actually adding more all the time. This is a handful right now of what I'm going to be offering you when you pick up Content Gorilla AI 2.0 through my link. Now, the first thing I want to do, though, is I want to go over to the sales page, okay? Now, the sales page, I don't like to spend too much time on a sales page during a review, but I want to kind of go over it because this is where the product vendor makes their claims about the software, and this is where you got to find testimonials, etc. So, as you can see, it says right here, first of all, at the top here, you can get a $3 off by using this coupon code here when you purchase. Now, as I said, as it says here also, it's the first to market ChatGPT powered long-form content creation tool for busy business owners and marketers. One-click blog post generator creates 30 days of Google-friendly inspired SEO articles within 10 minutes. It says built-in intelligent features creates dozens of undetectable as AI written blogs from a single video used by over 14,000 customers. Now, if you're wondering what this here means, is that Google is able to detect content for the most part that was written by AI. Okay, so this here claims that you actually can make it undetectable as AI generated when doing Copyscape or going through Google, etc. So here you can watch a quick video of a little sales video here. Some of the features they have is instant content. It says AI turns any video into dozens of connected blog posts in seconds. Google Proof setup ensures every piece of content created ranks on Google. Drive free traffic to your website offers and monetize your blogs for passive profits. One-click auto post and schedule. Easily post or schedule your blog posts from your dashboard. I'm going to take a little sip of my coffee here. Fully cloud-based, nothing to download or install. Okay, beginner-friendly. Used by over 14,000 paid users. And bonus, you get the commercial license included with it, so you can sell your long-form content for $49 to $197 each, and full training is provided for that. Okay, so here's I know this guy Robert. He's one of my friends. Says I can't believe I didn't get this before. I'm excited to start using this tool. 0 to 2,000 monthly visitors worth $1,000. Okay, blah blah. That's a little testimonial video here. A case study video here, and then you can just go through and read about all the different features here. Again, I'm not going to spend too much time. So here's what you need to normally do to write a single blog post. It says, step 1, choose a topic. Step 2, conduct extensive research. Step 3, create an outline. Step 4, write a compelling headline. Write an introduction. Use subheadings, bullet points, etc. Include relevant visuals, such as images and videos. Write a conclusion. Edit and proofread. Manually publish the post. Now, this is basically, if you're like, I'm just going to make a comment here. All these steps here are for anyone who's really they're focusing really on this, just creating the perfect blog post. Okay, most people, myself included, I don't do all this stuff. Now, I write my blogs quickly. I put the images in, do a little bit of research if I have to, and that's it. But this is what most people pretty much do, I think, as far as writing a blog post. Right here you can watch a demo of the software. I'm actually going to play this demo video for you later on in this review, so you can watch that there, or you can watch it on the sales page. So now you can do 3 easy steps. It says select a video. So what it does is it allows you to search for videos, YouTube videos, and then what it does is it extracts the audio from the videos, and then allows you to use the software to use AI to rewrite the audio into an actual blog post, change it up, making it unique, etc. Okay, and it also gives the option to choose between just any license or the Creative Commons license on YouTube. So you select a video, then watch Content Gorilla AI 2.0 turn into dozens of blogs. Now, it's not simply that and that. You got to do a couple more things in between. And then step 3, publish instantly or schedule for later. So you can actually publish it from your dashboard, or you can actually schedule it too. So Content Gorilla turned these videos into blog posts in seconds. So this video right here, okay, you can watch the video if you want to, and they became this blog post here. Okay, they took only 30 seconds to make. Pretty cool. This one became this blog post. All right, took 2 minutes to make. This video was turned into this blog post, and was done instantly. Okay, and then so that's just an example. You can actually watch these here if you want to and read all of this. You can see what they do. So you drive free targeted traffic, generate leads, boost sales, increase profits. Okay, this is basically the stuff that we all want as marketers when we're picking up a new software. We want to be able to get traffic, leads, sales, and increase profits. That's what basically what we want for every software, not just Content Gorilla. Okay, so drive free traffic, automate content rewrite. Okay, attract lots of visitors. You can sell your blog posts to clients via the commercial license option, which is actually included. So AI has revolutionized content generation. Okay, I'm just gonna keep going here. I'm not gonna spend all this time. You can actually come here and read this whole thing if you want to. I'm a typical person when I go and purchase a software. I don't really read the entire sales page. I'll just go through it pretty quickly. I'll watch the videos. I'll look for testimonials. And I'll see if it's something that I want to pick up. Okay. So again, you select a video, instantly create content like this for your blog. Okay, so again, it extracts the audio from YouTube videos, and it creates a post for you. Okay, so just keep on scrolling here. Again, there's a lot of stuff here on the sales page. Okay, all the way down. Okay, all right, and then of course, where are we at here? Let's go back to the. And you click there to get instant access. I'm going to scroll up. Here we go. Okay, so you choose your Content Gorilla license. There's 2 licenses available. The personal license is $19.99 per month. Okay, and then you get all these options here. And then with the commercial license, it's $27.95 one time. So again, people are going to pick up this option here. I mean, I really when vendors do this, it's very ingenious, because what it does is they know people are going to pick up this license for only $8 more or whatever for one time, rather than paying $20 a month. Nobody is going to purchase this $20 a month thing. Okay. This is here to make this more valuable. Okay, so it's just a little marketing tactic. Okay, nothing wrong with it. A lot of people use it. Again, so nobody's going to pick up this. Obviously, this here is just made to make this look more valuable. Okay, which it is valuable, but that's what this is for. So again, this is basically here. So $27.95 one time, you get all these features here. Okay, so now let's go ahead. I'm going to go in, go into the back office, and then after that, we're going to talk about. I'm going to show you the demo video, and then we're going to go in and look at all the OTOs and upgrades. Okay, so let me go over to my find login page here. Where I put it at? Okay. Okay, so I'm already logged in here. So, and actually, I'm going to go ahead and log out real quick and log back in, so you can see that I actually have my own unique login. So I'm going to go ahead and find where the log out button is at. Okay, log out here. Okay, I'll log out. Okay, all right. And then I'm going to use my Rebel form. Okay, and this is my unique login. And then, bam, login. Okay, I do that because now let me go ahead really quick and pause the video, and you'll go ahead and actually, let me go and I'll use my phone while you're here. I'm gonna go ahead and get that code, because they always like to verify. So actually, let me pause the video real quick, and I'll get that code real quick. Okay. Okay. So they have a two-factor authentication. So when you log in, sometimes when you log in, you'll be asked to verify that you're actually the person. So, but anyway, I've only played around with this a little bit, so there's a lot of features I haven't checked out yet. But when you get to the main dashboard here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna search for a video by term or by relevance. So if you search for, let's say, how to get traffic to your website fast. Let's try that. Okay. And then here you can search for by relevance, by date, or by relevance, by recent, or by views. You can choose Creative Commons or any. I'm going to keep that any for right now, and then search. Okay, so we got this video here. It says how to rank on Google in 4 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and use that one here. We're going to click create post. That's going to take us to the post creation screen. And what it says, it has extracted all the audio from that video. Okay. Now, if you're worried about using Creative Commons or this regular YouTube license, because with the videos itself, if you're going to reuse a video or any part of a video, you can only use Creative Commons. Okay. Other videos, the standard YouTube license is not allowable for reuse as a video. Now, I've used a YouTube standard license here for this demonstration because if you're going to do that, okay, what you want to do is you want to utilize this as a kind of a guide, not as just raw as the content is. You want to take the content, you get an idea from this, take it, change it, so this gives you a general idea. Now, Creative Commons, you can basically take it and reuse it and just do whatever with it. But for the standard license, you want to take the content and you want to change it, okay, to make it more unique and not, you want to take all the personal stuff out of there, etc. To make it more, and this way you're not going to get in trouble for copyright infringement or for simply, you're going to look, it's really going to make your reputation look pretty horrible when you're taking something and just directly plagiarizing it, okay? So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take this, we're going to use this as an idea for an article. So what you want to do here is everything's here. That's all jumbled together. It's added some images in here for us. Okay. We're going to go ahead and first we're going to go ahead and click on correct grammar. So it's going to correct all the grammar for us. This is going to take probably 30 seconds, maybe for a minute. This depends upon how busy our server is. Okay. While that's doing that, okay, you look over on the side here. We have the content rewriter. There's the archives here. So the archives, we'll check on that a little bit later. Now you can actually add users here if you want. Here's your training section right here. Okay, need support. Click on Get Help, and your settings right here. I'm going to go ahead and pause. Actually, select the language. Let me go and reselect the language. So it's set to Arabic by default. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's refresh this real quick. Okay, because I think the language should be set to English first. That might make it a little bit easier. Okay, since the content is in English. So default English. Bam. Okay. Now we're going to go back. We're going to go. Let's go ahead and correct the grammar. Okay. Again, this takes a little bit of time depending upon the how busy the server is. Okay. Go ahead and refresh this real quick. So again, see, this is actually one of the things that one of the cons about the software is that at times it'll take a while before I finish what it's doing. So right here it says, here's a note: if you want to run grammar, punctuation correction, or spin the content, please do that before editing the content. So you want to do all this stuff first. So let's go ahead. First of all, let's do the let's create paragraphs first. See if that'll do it for us. So I'm going to select all. I'm going to click create paragraphs. Okay, so now let's create some paragraphs for us. Probably going to need to create a few more paragraphs here. Go ahead and add punctuation. So again, the software is there you go. That's phone creation is done. Okay, now let's try to create the grammar. Okay, now the software is a great concept, a great idea for the software. Like there's only like this is really the only thing that I see that I don't like is that sometimes it takes a little longer because what it's doing it's actually utilizing ChatGPT, and that's where it's getting its actual power from. Basically, it's AI from. So as you see on the sale page, it says it's the first to market ChatGPT powered long form content creator. So it's actually going into ChatGPT and utilizing that, and then it's bringing it over here. So sometimes it takes a little bit longer, and also depends upon if ChatGPT is bogged down or not too. So it might take a little time. Again, go ahead and stop this. Okay, so okay, there it's changed the image for us, and again, let's just play around with this a little bit, okay? So, and I'm actually going to show you the demo. The demo is going to be a little bit more clear about how to use it, okay? Right now, it's possible that ChatGPT and Content Grow is probably bogged down because the software just launched this morning, okay? And you got a lot of new users, new people getting on, utilizing it and playing with it. So, you can correct grammar, create paragraphs. I noticed that the create paragraphs button here is probably the slowest out of all of these for some reason. You can add images. So let's say if I want to click on add images, and let's say I want to search for Google. Okay, search for that. Okay, and then I can take some of these images here. Let's just grab this one here. I'm going to put it right here. Okay, and then if you want to do any more, we'll just like put them wherever. Okay, so let's basically just drag and drop on the images here. Okay. There's keyword auto hyperlink, which is pretty cool. You can take this keyword here, and if I want to kick out the word, let's see, I want to type in the word traffic, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to type in google.com for test purposes, okay? All right, and then enter. Okay, so this looks like this is going to be worked on too right here. There's no real, I don't see a button to put a button anywhere for that. So, you know, it's kind of a little bit, again, it's one of the things that's going to be kind of, one of the things that's a con about it. I just don't, there are a few things that aren't completely perfect right now. But I mean, personally for me, you know, it's just having this is just, and I just being able to have this software to create content for you, that's enough. I can deal with, I myself personally can deal with the, all the little bugs and things like that in here. But I want to do I like to do, you know, honest reviews. I don't like to do reviews where I'm just trying to sell something. Like a lot of marketers will just tell you all the great things about it, and then they won't tell you or even show you all the things that are kind of meh about a software. So, so go back to the content. Featured image, you can choose a featured image right here. The featured image is going to be the thumbnail, but I can change it, okay, by clicking change. I can upload an image myself. I'm going to leave the one for right now. I'm going to upload an image, okay. You can add tags here. These tags here are going to be the tags they pull from YouTube. You can leave them alone, change them, add them, whatever. Your SEO keyword this is the keyword you're trying to target. These are related keywords right here, okay. So you kind of you know, play with these and utilize these in there. SEO review. Let me set that as it's going to review the SEO, and it's going to tell you. So 32%. So basically, it's got a built-in SEO tool where it's going to tell you exactly how high of a chance your content has in ranking. So it's 32% for this keyword here. So it's probably not going to rank very well. It might be on the 3rd page or 4th page or whatever, if that. So as it is, it's not going to rank. You can syndicate it here. So now this is where you integrate all your different social medias, etc. So I click integrate now. You can integrate your Facebook page, your Facebook group, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Okay. You can go back to the post content here screen, and I'm gonna and as I said, as we were doing the I didn't bother saving it, but as we were doing the demonstration here, you notice that a lot of things were kind of slow. So if we go and just kind of let's scroll, grab like any video real quick again, and let's see how to build your list fast. Okay. And then search, and let's see if we can get anything to make it a little bit easier. So how to build an email list from scratch, 0 to 15,000 plus email subs. Okay, so take this, we're going to click create post. Okay, there's all the content, and this content is already pretty much set in paragraphs. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead. We're going to go ahead and click on correct grammar. Okay, let's see how that goes through quickly enough. Okay, and again, I'm going to play a demo for you that the vendor did, so you can actually see exactly a smoother demonstration of how it works. Right now, it looks like it's a little bit bogged down, being it's a brand new software. So let's go ahead and just stop that. Okay, and refresh that and stop that. So guys, it's been a little bit of a fail as far as being able to demonstrate the software for you myself. So I'm going to go ahead, as I said, I'm going to go ahead and play their demo video right now, so you can check on that, and it's going to explain exactly how to use it. It's going to be a little bit easier to understand than me trying to get this thing to work properly. And once that's done, I'll be back. We'll talk about the OTOs and the upgrades. So I'm going to pause, go over to that video, go to the demo, and I'll be right back.
Hey, this is Lou Hornberger, and I will give you a quick demo of how Content Gorilla AI 2.0 works. First thing you want to do is get the plugin. You're going to download it here, and then go over to your WordPress website and go into your plugins, and you're going to upload the Content Gorilla plugin and activate it. That's the important step to get the content from Content Gorilla to your WordPress blog. And then we're back in Content Gorilla AI 2.0, and we're going to put in our search term. All right, so I'm going to look for best tips for increasing viewer retention. There we go. I'm going to set the license to Creative Commons, so I don't have to worry about any kind of copyrights. I click on search. All right, let's go with this YouTube search and discovery top 10 questions answered. So what I'm going to do here, then I click on create post. And you'll see how we quickly have the transcription of the video that's right here automatically added in. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to have it create paragraphs. You see now it's broken it down by paragraphs. We're going to correct the grammar. And my grammar errors have been corrected. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some punctuation. And my punctuation has been added. And then I can go in and add relevant images. So I'm just going to grab an image here and place this in there. Pennies. We can then outline the article by clicking on Create AI Outline. Now it's then going to go through and create an outline based on this. And we have added our headings. As you can see here, it's evaluated the text and added headings. You can also then go in and say, let's take this sentence here, create a new series of simple topic, but make a video that attracted you to your channel. We can say, let's rework that. Let's paraphrase that using our AI. Content paraphrase successfully. So now we have more. It expanded that one sentence to give us more, and it generated AI content for us. Or I can highlight something, analyze the groups of videos that aren't receiving, and highlight this whole sentence here, and then have it write content for me using the AI. I can have it expand it professionally, casually, or in a particular person's voice, like Neil Patel. So I'm going to say let's make it more professional, and let's expand on that one sentence there. And you see how it's brought us a whole lot more content in. You see how that utilizes the AI to generate that. We also can detect AI content, to check if it will be seen by Google as AI content by clicking here. And as you see there, it notes it as 99.309% genuine. Now here is where it really shines, that this allows us to generate short form content from our longer post. We click here and we say how many do we want. I'm not going to do a lot so that it doesn't take as long. I'm just going to say give me 3. And then I can add in the tags that I want to use here. And then I'm going to click on submit. Now it is generating 3 blog posts based on that. Your blog's ideas have been generated and the blog writing is underway. So here are the 3 that it gave me, and then I can go here and check on the progress of those 3 blog posts being written with the AI based off of the post that I started with. So you see here, these 3 were created from that video and they're in progress. Back to our original content, close this. And then we still have the standard tools that allow us to set up keyword auto hyperlinks. So any keyword that we want to set a link to that appears anywhere in our post, we can set that up here. We can set up our featured image. By default, it grabs the YouTube video, but of course we want to change that. Now you can see now I've changed it to another thumbnail. I can then set up the tags. Now of course it's going to grab the tags from the YouTube video, but we can actually add more here. And we can say content, we can say YouTube, whatever we think would be helpful for SEO optimization. Continue on here. We can syndicate this out to the different pages that we have for Facebook, Twitter, our LinkedIn, and include a link to the post. We can put a custom image in. We can go to our highlights to generate content highlights. These are small pieces that we can use, meta content. And our content highlights are created by summarizing it because it's a meta description we can use. And it gives us content summary, a Facebook post that we can post right away, a tweet to use on Twitter, and a LinkedIn post to use, all automated from that one piece of content that we grab legally because it has a Creative Commons license. And then we can simply publish it. I can say what website I want to put to. And I'm going to put it onto this site here, and I'm going to publish it as a post and publish. Congrats, your content has been posted. And then when I pull up that page, you can see here is the content that I generated. Pull this out. This is the headline. These are the sub headlines, the content, all the pieces that we put in here are automatically posted to our WordPress blog. Now we come back into Content Gorilla AI 2.0, and I go over here to create, and I go down to our short content. It should be ready by now. There it is. It has created 3 posts for us from that one post. I could have set that number to 10, 20, 30, so I have 1 a day from one post that I generate using YouTube. Click on Create Post, and then I can go through that process in the same way. It automatically grabs an image, it sets it up with punctuation and paragraphs, and then all I have to do is simply come here to publish, and then I can send this right out to my page on Assist to Prosper, set up, and publish. And then I go to the blog, and there it is, the power of video appearance, how changing your title and thumbnail can affect. And here's the content it generated, there's the image it selected, all automated for me with Content Gorilla AI 2.0. It's just that simple. Simply select a video, and it can be a video from YouTube, Vimeo, or a video you upload yourself. Then you can have it generate automatically dozens and dozens of posts from that one video that you used, and then publish it and watch the SEO friendly posts bring in traffic and maybe even sales day in and day out, all completely automated using the power of Content Gorilla AI 2.0.
Okay, so hopefully that demo video actually explained a little bit easier for you. Again, I apologize for not being able to actually show you a full demo myself. Again, looks like it was a little bit bogged down. Again, that's one one con about cloud-based software is sometimes they get bogged down, and also when a software is getting a lot of its abilities and power, etc., from another source, it also kind of tends to cause a little bit of issues. So, but with that, let's go and talk with the OTO. So again, here's the front end sales page. We've already gone over that. Now, once you pick up the front end, you're going to be given an option for the fast patch. It's going to give you an option to pick up every single upgrade for low price. So you can come through here. You're going to watch this video, and your fast pass deal. Here it says just $14.78. Let's go and scroll down. It's probably going to be a little bit less than that. A lot of times when they have crossed out, it means it's going to be a little bit less. So let's go ahead and get that out there. Scroll down to the buy button. Okay, so you get two fast pass offers here. First is well, this is a comparison right here. If you purchase everything separately, okay, the total cost if you purchase everything separately would be $9.97, okay, or $4.97. It says. Go down to, you can get this for one time $240, okay, not including the unlimited pro license. Okay, so you're gonna get one time $240. You're gonna get all these options here. Okay, now if you want to get all the options, okay, for every single upgrade, you're gonna go with this option here, which is $270 per year, which includes unlimited pro license. Okay, so all these features here with the unlimited pro license, and you'll be able to read through all this. Let me get some bonuses here. You'll be able to read through all this here when you pick up and go through the sales funnel. Again, as soon as you pick up the front end product, it's going to give you this option here for these. So most people are probably going to go, depending upon what your needs are. I see most people are probably going to go with the yearly option, but a lot of times people really only need a little bit of option, so they're going to go with this one here. Okay, so this is going to get you basically the basic. It's going to get you these features here, and this is going to get you all the unlimited features here. Okay, so the next part in the funnel is you'll be unlimited. This is OTO one right here technically. Unlock your blogging potential, get 500,000 more credits for Content Gorilla. So it's based on credits and how much you can actually use it. You'll be able to get 500,000 more credits here. Okay, because because it's going through ChatGPT. Okay, they have to use the API. ChatGPT's API with their system. They can't afford to have everyone just be able to go on there and just go crazy with it, because it's going to bog down and it's going to use up all of their resources, which is probably one of the reasons why I wasn't able to actually get some of the features to work, because there may be people utilizing it, or maybe they may be running out of their credits or whatever. So you can watch this video here, scroll down, okay, and then you're going to get that for $67 one time, you get 500,000 more credits. Okay. So the next, let me go and kind of close this out real quick so I can get to the next. I got my camera in the way here. Okay. The second OTO is you can create, schedule, enhance, automate, unlimited, and a whole lot more for $1. Okay. So you'll be able to grab this upgrade today. You'll be able to do text to image, AI content improvement. Google won't flag your better content. You're going to get content highlight creation, unlimited websites, exclusive training, full automation, powerful scheduler, unlimited AI, generate unlimited content. So basically, it supercharges the features that you've got already. Okay, and just go down. I'll wait to the buy button here. We'll see what the buy button says. Okay, so basically, you're getting a $1 trial, okay, for 30 days. Then it's going to be $37 a month, right? So it's not $1, it's a $1 trial, okay? So the next OTO is going to be, you're going to be able to unlock 100 ways to go monetizable blogs and over a dozen profitable niches at a one-time price. So you get instant access to 100 ready-to-go WordPress blogs. Deploy one or more monetizable sites in under 10 minutes. Make money with AdSense, Amazon affiliate links, or ClickBank, JVC, WordPlus, etc. One-on-one email support and training. So basically, they're going to give you blogs that are going to get the files for blogs that are actually going to be set up, ready to go. All you do is upload them, and launch your blog. Okay. So this is actually a pretty cool upgrade. I'm a person who really loves niche blogs. So this is something that I would pick up myself. you can grab it and utilize Content Gorilla to create content, okay, and set it up auto on automation as well, okay. So this is what the blogs look like, okay. And you're gonna get some extra bonuses here with it as well. And so you're gonna get that for only $97 one time, which is actually a pretty good deal, okay. All right, next upgrade, okay, next OTO. You can start an AI-powered content creation and marketing agency, and see how with their 29.18 per month case study. So this is an agency license. You're gonna get the agency license here. You can watch you get a case study. They're gonna show you exactly how to utilize this. Okay, so basically, the agency is gives you your own content creation business utilizing Content Gorilla. Okay, so if we scroll down further, and let's go to the buy button. Again, you can read all these details here yourself. I'm going to go ahead and keep scrolling, and let's go down to the buy button. Okay, so the options for the agency license, you have $197, which gets you up to 50 clients, $297 for up to 100 clients, and then you have all these other options as well. Okay, so probably most people are probably going to pick up this, so they have more, they can serve more clients. Again, some may just want this here as well. And then finally, the final upgrade you're going to get is you get to discover the exact secret strategies used by top content creators to increase their SEO results by 100% and more. So basically, this is going to be training that's going to teach you all this here. See, this is what they call the university, their content university. So you can get in there and get all this training on how to basically do exact, like what it says here, to discover the exact secrets used by content creators to research it. So basically, it's going to be content creation training to help you get better SEO results. Okay, and you just go here to read all about it, and get down the sales button, up to the buy button, and where to go? Sometimes they move the buy button somewhere. And so you're gonna get this for $37. So again, it's something you want. Need some extra training. It's something you want. I suggest go ahead and pick it up. Okay. So guys, that is my review of Content Gorilla AI 2.0. I do apologize again for the fact that I was not able to give you a full demo myself of the software. Okay. But hopefully that demo showed you exactly what it can do. Now, what do I like and not like about the software? Well, what I like about it is that you can actually it makes content creation easy. You search for YouTube videos, it grabs it for you, puts it in the software, you take it, you create a blog post out of it, boom, bing, bang, boom, you're done. Okay, and other features like being able to syndicate it, able to automatically link keywords in there, etc. So, and it's actually at a very, very, very affordable price. That's like $27 for the front. Let me look again. What the price was? I forget. So it was $27.95. Okay, right. $27.95 one time. Okay, so that's a great deal. Now the cons, what I don't like about it, okay, is first, as you saw, because it's cloud-based software and it's utilizing a third-party system, i.e. ChatGPT, to power itself, to power the AI, it's gonna have issues with being bogged down because of maybe they don't have enough. Their API has been used because a lot of services only allow you to do a certain number of calls with your API during a certain period of time. So there's possible that the calls in your API could be overused. There could be issues via the internet with connection between ChatGPT and Content Gorilla server, and then also internet issues between Content Gorilla and your own home computer. So that is a little bit of an issue there. But then again, that is something that can happen with any cloud-based software. Okay, not just Content Gorilla, but any software that either uses a third-party system or that even has its own in-house software system and power. There's always that issue where it could possibly get bogged down by the number of users. And again, because it's a newly launched software, a lot of people are just jumping in and grabbing it, and they're and what's happening is it's being used quickly, and people are using it up like all right now. So with that, thank you for watching my review. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Be sure to click down below in the description to check out my bonuses and grab your copy of Content Gorilla AI. Again, if you pick up Content Gorilla through my link, you're gonna get all those bonuses I show you. With that, again, thanks for watching. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. Be sure to hit the notification bell. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video. Again, with that, thanks for watching, and have an awesome day.